pretty basic tutorial. We all learned this when we were young, or at least we did if you were a country girl. Virginia creeper, leaves 5, stay alive. Poison ivy, leaves 3, quickly flee. So what I like to do for poison ivy is get a plastic bag, and we all have a lot of plastic bags at home in the kitchen. Wrap it around your arm, and then go in and very carefully try to find the bottom of that poison ivy as much as you can and pluck it out. Since it is a vine, it's going to take some effort. You have to think like a weed, and honestly, what does a weed have to do but think about growing every day? Just a little bit at a time, we're going to weed this poison ivy out. I'm going to get rid of some of these sticks, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn this bag over everything, again without touching it, and voila, it is ready to go into the trash. So, getting rid of poison ivy.